Good morning. This morning I'm in the province and it's every preparation's going on for the Fiesta. So it's going to be a busy day. I don't know what's going to happen, but let's go and find out. The festivities have already started. You can hear the music. It's only 7 a.m. in the morning. The music's already started. That will not stop all day. But Fiesta, as you're probably aware, the tradition started in Spain and it's carried on here. And every village in the Philippines has a fiesta. And the reason they have a fiesta is because of the patron saint. What prize did you win? Prize. There's them chicks. Peso.
Dapat isuron din ang piya yun. Apa ba?
Common local business for in the villages in the Philippines is backyard pig keeping, pig rearing. Oh, they've gone quiet. They know I'm talking. Look. But during the fiesta, unfortunately, one of these unlucky animals will be taken away and used as food today. So I don't know why they're excited to see me, because one of them is going to be disappointed, sent to piggy heaven later on. But backyard pig rearing is a good source of income for the locals here. Today, one of the traditions of a fiesta is that anybody is allowed to come into your house and eat. So you must make food. Your house is open to strangers, any stranger, and they'll come into your house and all the prepared food that you've made, sticky rice, there'll be this.
This is what kind salmon? This
Sticky
is a
rice.
Or
Coconut and rice.
Yes, coconut rice. Yes. Coconut leaves.
So my rice. Coconut and rice.
This is a Lina.
Coconut and rice. Kutsara. Spoon. Jara. Alibong fish.
So ano ba? Ang galungan ba ang panahon? Kay mama mo po kayo daan. Sa ina ko tagay daan. Ako sa akin. 3 minutes kaping mainit. Woo! Ilan mo na lugdang plangganan ano? Ay, tapos sa paralo.
return to see how the sticky rice turned out later, and I'll do a taste test as well. But for now it's competition time, and it's a singing competition. And it must take some bravery to be the first one up. And look at it, he's only a young man as well. There we are. There we are. Anyway, I've come away from the village because I wanted a bit of peace and quiet so I could talk to the camera. But I can't because the music's got louder and Jan is still here. Wave, yay! So I've come to Leah's house for a bit of peace and quiet. But anyway, the reason why there's a fiesta today is because each village, each town has a patron saint. And the patron saint of this village is San Roque, and it's the saint's day today. So it's the same day every year for every town and village. And you can be driving through the Philippines, through any town and village, and you'll go past and there'll be streamers up, and that's because it's their patron saint day, or approaching the patron saint day. And that's why it's up in the village today. So preparations probably started days, if not weeks ago. So that's why it's a fiesta today, and that's why we're all celebrating, aren't we? And Leah is cooking rice on the fire.
Uncle, what's your name in Facebook? Uncle.
Time for some fun and games. Let's go.
Sorry nini, ang kapukamon, nalagpas po siya. Sige pa! Ay, mano po. Pag nahulog, maotro man giraray. Stop! Oo, pasensya na ka mo. Ang nagana po sa paper dance, maang iba, kundi... Ayun. Dali! May nanalo na! Okay na po, may nagana na sa kawas. Congratulations! Ano pa ano? Pinagana na sina Group 3. Nararibog na patigutom ko na.
Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta! Happy!
Sorry Nunoy, tanggal. Irasa na. 1, 2. 6. Spot. Tap.
Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta!
So, okay, tanggal. 1, 2.
Meron tanda ka mo, Ismail! 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 Ate Malay! Ismail! Ate Angelay! Ismail! Ismail! Kaya makin. Smile! Tingin! Hindi na ako makiwa. Yep.
Kano, yun ang pamilya mo dyan? Ayun na. Dahil mo na? Kayo ka lang dyan? Hindi mo na kumapay. Ito ka lang sa ko.
So, we've had games, we've had a singing competition. The day's drawn to a close. There's a lot of cooking going on because that was the religious festival in the honor of San Roque. Oh, where's that going? The singing competition. We've had singing competitions, we've had games, and the day's run to a close, so the religious parade's gone past in the name of patron saint San Roque. I'm being harassed, and now it's going to be time to eat shortly, so people will be turning up at the house. Anybody can come and have something to eat, and then it's the big dance behind. It will soon be past 5 o'clock, so I can have a drink. All that effort this morning making that sticky rice. This is how much it made, look. There's a whole basket worth there. But that's for visitors when they come later. Trying to find places with a bit of peace and quiet so I can talk undisturbed. This is the sticky rice, the ubos. Ebos, what do I call it? This is the sticky rice. It's all been saved for visitors this afternoon. So when they come to the house, they can have some sticky rice. But I've pinched one. Quite sweet. Sticks together unlike the other rice. I know there's coconut in there. It's only very slight taste. tasty. I think it's tastier because I know it's been made here from fresh ingredients. There's nothing added. That's why I like it. Lovely. This was the table laid out for our visitors, and I think at the last count there was about 30 of them.
Magbuhat na higit mo ako ang lahat ng aking pangarap.
The singing competition went on into the evening. This was last year's winner, although he didn't win this year, unfortunately. But someone moved on to the dancing competition, and I bet they can make your hands clap. Happy Fiesta! Believe it or not, I've just had to escape from the noise up there, otherwise you wouldn't be able to listen to a word I'm saying. This is day 2 of the Fiesta, and day 2 is much more, it's much less hectic than day 1. Day 1, if you remember, this is a very small village in the Caramoan Peninsula, and the visitors yesterday, there was literally hundreds, and they come from miles around. It was the village was buzzing. It was I thought as a newcomer, as a new experience for me, I thought it was quite exciting. Day 1 was very busy. It was a very different experience from today. Today, day 2 is a very family occasion. There's family come and visit, have some breakfast, stay for lunch, chinwag, catch up, shed a few tears. There was certainly some tears shed this morning. But yesterday there was visitors from far and wide. It was hectic. It's a quiet little village, but it was hectic yesterday. The place was absolutely buzzing. This is the main road to one of the provincial towns, and it was just blocked by people visiting the stalls and the stall holders. But it was such an exciting day for me as a newcomer to this kind of experience. I thought it was fantastic. I loved it. But what a great fiesta! What a great tradition! And I think adjective for the day, it was buzzing. It was buzzing. I hope I've been able to capture the experience of a fiesta. If there was games, there was competitions, there was singing, dancing, and then there was the disco at night. If your fiesta is different, or if I've portrayed something wrong, just let me know in the comments below. Well, that's enough for me. Thank you very much for watching. And if you can just do what other YouTubers do, click like, share, subscribe and things like that, and leave a comment below. I think I've responded to every comment I've had so far. But I do appreciate your support. But I can sense my beer getting warm, and I've got to practice my dance moves for later. So with that, I'd like to say goodbye and stay safe, keep smiling. Bye bye.